Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Some people have not paid the construction licenses. We have 2-3 reminders already sent. Now I told them to issue a notice saying that their construction license will be terminated terminated because they have not paid the amount.
So also signboards?
Signboard, there are also various signboards. They are not paying. That also I will cover up. Lots of recovery has to be done, and maybe we are too late, but still better late than never. We have started the drive from today, and I have made 10 teams of 6 or 7 staff each, and this team has already left to all the 25 wards. It is not that because of COVID they have to come here. So when the services are given online, I don't see any reason not to pay. This is one of the reasons. Public should not complain saying that when they come here, the system is broken or whatever. So they can pay from their home as well. Simultaneously, if they have any problem, they can give the checks with writing the house tax number at the back or the trade tax number at the back. Thereafter, they can come and collect the receipt.